let's learn the alphabet dog breeds.
Playdatewithdivit.
A.
A is for Akita. Akita. A is for Azawak. Azawak.
B.
B is for Beagle. Beagle. B is for Boxer. Boxer.
C.
C is for Chihuahua. Chihuahua. C is for Collie. Collie.
D.
D is for Dachshund. Dachshund. D is for Dalmatian. Dalmatian.
E.
E is for English Bulldog. English Bulldog. E is for Eraser. Eraser.
F.
F is for Foxhound. Foxhound. F is for French Bulldog. French Bulldog.
G.
G is for German Shepherd. German Shepherd. G is for Golden Retriever. Golden Retriever.
H.
H is for Havanese. Havanese. H is for Husky. Husky.
I.
I is for Irish Setter. Irish Setter. I is for Italian Greyhound. Italian Greyhound.
J.
J is for Jack Kai. Jack Kai. J is for Japanese Chin. Japanese Chin.
K.
K is for Keeshond. Keeshond. K is for Commandor. Commandor.
L.
L is for Labrador. Labrador. L is for Leonberger. Leonberger.
M.
M is for Maltese. Maltese. M is for multipoo. Multipoo.
N.
N is for Newfoundland. Newfoundland. N is for Norfolk Terrier. Norfolk Terrier.
O.
O is for Otterhounds. Otterhounds. O is for Old English Sheepdog. Old English Sheepdog.
P.
P is for Pomeranian. Pomeranian. P is for Pug. Pug.
Q.
Sorry, could not find the breed of dog in Q. If you know, then please comment below.
R.
R is for Rottweiler. Rottweiler. R is for Russell Terrier. Russell Terrier.
S.
S is for Siberian Husky. Siberian Husky. S is for Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu.
T.
T is for Tibetan Mastiff. Tibetan Mastiff. T is for Tibetan Terrier. Tibetan Terrier.
U.
U is for Uruguayan Cimarron. Uruguayan Cimarron. U is for Autonogan. Autonogan.
V.
V is for Vizsla. Vizsla. V is for Valley Bulldog. Valley Bulldog.
W.
W is for Welsh Corgi. Welsh Corgi. W is for Whippet. Whippet.
X.
X is for Sholowit Squintley. Sholowit Squintley.
Y.
Y is for Yorkapoo. Yorkapoo. Y is for Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkshire Terrier.
Z.
Z is for Zukon. Zukon. Z is for Zwergpinscher. Zwergpinscher.
Bye bye.